Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2008 Honda Civic, and we will be replacing the passenger side CV axle for this car. Okay, let's do it. Right, so we're using number 32 socket for the lug nut. Perfect. Let's push this. Okay, it's moving now. Over here underneath, right there, we got three things that we need to remove. There's two nuts and one bolt right there. That's number 17. Okay, let's do it. So number 17. Alright. Good. And we need to separate this. So we're using this. See that? I think this is the hardest part. Separating this. We can do it. See? Sometimes you can use this too. This. All right. Perfect. Can you use this one? Now let's remove this CV axle. Nice. Perfect. All right. We can pull this. Right. Now, to remove it, you can use this lever. This, I cannot show it to you, but do this way like this. So lever, then tap this. I think it's better to use this fork like this, insert in here, and then tap it. See that? I did use this one. Right. Let's remove. Perfect. So I did use this one. See this? Set it in here, then top it. Perfect. So just wanna check. So it sounds pretty good. Okay, let's insert the new one. This is the new one. Let's compare it. Oh, it looks the same length. It's okay. Okay, let's put it back. Put the new one. Alright, so let's put back the new CB axle. Alright. There you go. It's snapped. Perfect. Double check underneath. Alright. Perfect. Oh God. Nice. Now let's put back over here. Let's remove this. Alright. Good. The leg nut. Leg nut. CV axle nut. Nice. Then let's put this. In putting this, use this steel bar. Alright, good. I just want to show you it's on. There you go. Nice. And I'm just gonna tighten it. And that's it. So that's how, quick to replace a passenger CB axle for I think this is 2008 Honda Civic. So if you had any question in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.